eba, amala, pounded yam. Very good. So we stir it from time to time, allow it to cook very well. Then the next thing is to add the fish. So cover it again and allow it to cook. We have salt to taste. After cooking for more than 5 minutes again, in high heat, we add pomo, add meat, add every other part one after the other, and then stir it together very well. After cooking for like 10 minutes more, after all the other meats have been added, we can also add seasoning of your choice, and then allow everything to cook once again very well for more than 10 minutes. The meat, the pomo, the fish, everything again cook well for more than 10 minutes up to 15 minutes again. Very well. Add salt to taste. Add some seasoning to your taste. Then allow everything to on medium heat. 10 minutes or 15 minutes more. Time to bring in the vegetables. Right. So the bitter leaf first. The bitter leaf is going in first. Followed by vegetable. Now after the vegetable have been added, you allow it to simmer together for 5 minutes. Then you bring it down for 5. allow the vegetable to be cooked for too long so that it can maintain the nutrients. 5 minutes, then bring it back to the fire. Just leave it on low heat for about 5 minutes. So here you have, we have the best Nigerian egusi, bitter leaf and ugu vegetable. Have you tasted this before? Bitter leaf, ugu, egusi, best Nigerian soup. Good for swallows such as semovita, eba, amala, pounded yam. Very good. To learn how to prepare semovita, see the link in the description box of this video. Good with vegetable, you can see the semovita. Serve here with vegetable soup.